Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So today class we gonna talk about looping condition and we go through first while loop. Then before we go into that, we go to one important concept in Python called type conversion. So stay with me. We gonna more to be explored here. You like our session? Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Upcoming videos are really interesting. So coming to data types. Okay, so basically type conversion means we convert one data type to another data type. Simple process, we convert from one data type to another data type. We learn about in various programming languages, C++, Java, that from integer to string, string to integer. So like this way we must ensure these data types that we're going to use various Python programs. So here we discuss more in what is type conversion and how it will be useful. Okay, so let's start here. So basically what is type conversion? Type conversion means it is a simple process where you can convert one data type language to another. Once suppose you want to type a text, here, hello sir, you can see it is a string, so it will be come with a double quoted, so it is a string data type, right? So when you try, then you know the result. Okay, when you know the type of that string, they give you the result. Okay, if you try it in your code editor, what is the type of this string, you write it. Means if I write it this way, this is my string. If I write it print type this, so it is a string value. So class also coming, output also coming by class. This is a string, so this is their class. This is a string value they mention. Okay, like string there is various numeric type, sequence type, sets type, boolean type, so many more to be learned in Python. So any program you start, basic thing is that you know the data types, because these are we can use effectively, and it will be more helpful to a good programmer. Okay, so start with an example. I start with an example with a string variable. Okay, suppose I write x equal to hello sir. So it is I know that it is a string data type, right? So string data type, how it will be written? Double quoted. So if I write it, so it will be showing the same thing, that it is a class of a string. So suppose I like string, so it is an integer type data type. So integer means you write a value here. Suppose I write 20, so 20 is an integer type. So in the class they showing it is an integer type class. If I mention with point value, means 20.5, 20.7, so it looks like a float type value, right? So float type value means value also very important. Means if you write a single integer, if you write it this way, means decimal way, if you write 20.5, so it's a float value. As you can see, this is a class of float value, right? If I write x equal to true, okay, x equal to 2, so this is a boolean type data type. Understand? So these functions are useful when we applied in problems. Then you understand that how much important is this. Okay, Suppose if I write one small example for you. Okay, suppose I give a variable a equal to 4, b equal to 5.5. So what will come if I add it? If I add it, it will obviously come 9.5. But it's a integer, it's a float value, so value will become 9.5. But it actually not correct. It sequentially looks great, but it actually not correct. We need to be mentioned here 5.5 as a float value. Okay, then that our computer know is yes, it will be written incorrectly. They give you a proper result, right? Like same wise, we write, we do one term called concatenation. Suppose I take one input from the user that this is a number, second number is this. I put the addition here, addition, then I print the result. Then you can see the first value that what I write is 12, second value is 10. So these values are joined. 12, 10 it will be coming. Why 12, 10 coming? It will not coming in the, it's not coming 22. Why it will be not coming 22? Yes, your doubt will be sure that it will be not coming because we not mention our data type here. We need to be mentioned data type called integer, right? So then you when you change this means when you change to be integer, then again you print it, you see the result here, it will be coming 22. So many problems that we have seen in C programming and Java, that various codes we need to write for one line of code, but in Python it's easy step that we can write one step solution, right? Okay, so data types is very important. It's a built-in feature in Python. So these are the categories or various category like text category, numeric category, mapping category, boolean category. So boolean condition means you check here that the condition is true or false, right? Boolean type true or false value you can see here. Okay? Suppose you can check here from the list also, from the tuple also. From the tuple list also you can check it the data type. Okay, we go through one by one examples. Okay, we go through one list example here. If I write here one list here x equal to this, I write one some example and print it. So this is a list. So if I write print type of x, so it's a list means its class also means list. So it's showing the result that it is a list. Okay, like same wise you've tried various approach. Okay, once you check it, you know the results that yes, this kind of approaches will help, it will be helpful in our program. Okay, next we going to see what is looping. So in looping it will be more useful, you see in results. Okay, oh, what is looping in Python? So basically looping means what? Looping is a repetitive approach that once you do a code, that one algorithm is set, you don't need to be changed and again write from new on. No, one algorithm is set, you can implement through that code. Okay, means suppose you one developer one do for making one app, they make one algorithm type this approach approach we can solve this problem. They make an algorithm. That algorithm properly set in the database. Okay, they don't change every day, right? They use this loop condition that anything they need to be changed, they change through this loop and execute it, right? So like same way in Python there is a two primitive loop we are using. One is a while loop, one is for loop. Okay, so today we only discuss about while loop. What is while loop? Okay, basically um, these problems are very helpful in conditional approaches, because looping means it's a step-by-step approach, right? So in while loop, what we're gonna see? We're gonna see through our syntax that if I write a syntax like this in a while loop, norm equal to, if I write a user taking value, okay, write this way, I equal to 1 and while I less than 6. If I print it, if I put print option and write this way, I is equal to 1. Okay, so in this problem what you see here, you see one loop is there, means first approach is one value, means i's value is 1. So how many times this loops will be run? Up to 5, right? If it will be 6, then it will be won't run, right? How it will be run? Means suppose if you see here I equal to 1, so this condition means I 1 value is less than 6, so it will be run. Okay, 1 value less than 6, it continuously running. Okay, like same as again going back to I plus 1, so its value changes from I value, now it will be 2. 2 is less than 6, yes, it will be 6, so print it, so 2 also print. Like same ways again I plus 1, means it will be now 3, so 3 value will be less than 6, it will be changes, yes, it will be 3. 4 value, like same as 5 value, up to 5 value they can count it. Then if they crossing 6 value, they showing error, not showing, it will be not moving anywhere, because his ranges is up to 6. Okay, you can see that it will be up to 5 value on up to they print. Okay, you can try it on your own, that various while condition using boolean value, right? Boolean value also, conditional statement also, if else statement, like same wise if I write again, if I value is 2 and I is less than 8, like same wise same approach will follow, but here I use your else condition. If it will be not true, then this condition will be print. When you check the output, you see the result here, right? Like the same many examples are available. Okay, while condition is very easy, means while loop require relevant variable to be ready. Okay, relevant conditions we need to be put in. You try it on your own. Okay, you try it with various approaches, this program. In the next class we will discuss about what is for loop. We will discuss. I hope this session you like it. Please do subscribe our channel. Lot more interesting videos are coming on the way. So keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.